Are you tired of experiencing wrist pain every time you do push-ups? Push-ups are one of the best exercises for building upper body strength, but for many, wrist discomfort can be a huge roadblock to performing them correctly and consistently. But here's the good news, it's possible to do push-ups without straining your wrists. In this video, we'll explore the reasons why wrist pain occurs during push-ups and show you several tips, techniques, and alternative exercises that will help you push through that discomfort and perform push-ups the right way. Stick around until the end to learn how you can strengthen your wrists and get back to doing push-ups pain-free. And if you're looking for more tips and tricks to improve your workout routine, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Push-ups are a staple exercise in any workout routine. They target multiple muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, arms, and core, and can be done almost anywhere without any equipment. However, many people find themselves avoiding push-ups due to wrist pain or discomfort. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, wrist pain can be a common issue when performing push-ups. The good news is that there are several reasons for wrist pain, and most of them can be addressed with a few changes to your form, technique, and even the types of push-ups you choose to do. Let's dive into the main causes of wrist pain during push-ups and discuss some effective solutions. Why does wrist pain happen during push-ups? Wrist pain during push-ups often occurs because of improper wrist positioning, excessive strain, or weak wrists. When you place your hands flat on the ground with your fingers spread out, your wrists are forced into an extended position, which can cause strain on the wrist joints and surrounding muscles. If your wrist flexibility is limited or your wrist muscles are weak, you may experience discomfort as your body weight shifts onto your wrists during the push-up motion. In addition, poor hand placement, such as having your hands too wide or too narrow, can create extra pressure on the wrists, leading to pain and potential injury over time. A lack of mobility or flexibility in the wrist joint can also contribute to the issue, making it harder to maintain proper form during the exercise. These issues can also lead to discomfort in other areas of the body, such as the elbows and shoulders, as you try to compensate for the pain in your wrists. How to prevent wrist pain during push-ups? Now that we know why wrist pain happens, let's talk about how you can prevent or reduce it when doing push-ups. Here are several strategies you can use to protect your wrists while performing this essential exercise. 1. Proper wrist alignment and form. One of the most common reasons for wrist pain is poor hand positioning. If your hands are too far forward, your wrists will bend excessively, causing unnecessary strain. To avoid this, make sure your hands are placed directly beneath your shoulders and keep your fingers spread wide to distribute your body weight more evenly. This alignment will help reduce pressure on your wrists and prevent excessive flexion. Try to avoid letting your wrists bend backward too much. Focus on keeping your wrists in a neutral position, with the palms of your hands facing down. A neutral wrist position will help reduce the risk of injury and alleviate pain during the movement. 2. Use push-up handles or dumbbells. Using push-up handles or dumbbells can take pressure off your wrists and provide a more natural range of motion during the exercise. Push-up handles elevate your hands slightly off the ground, which helps keep your wrists in a neutral position. This reduces the stress on your wrist joints and allows you to perform push-ups with greater comfort. Dumbbells can also serve a similar purpose, allowing your hands to be in a more neutral position and eliminating the need for excessive wrist extension. 3. Modify your hand placement. Changing the width of your hand placement can also reduce wrist strain. If you're performing traditional push-ups with your hands placed too wide, it might place excessive pressure on your wrists. Instead, try placing your hands closer together, at shoulder width or slightly narrower, to reduce the load on your wrists and make the push-up movement feel more natural. You can also experiment with different types of push-ups, such as diamond push-ups, which involve bringing your hands closer together to form a diamond shape beneath your chest. This can help alleviate wrist pain by redistributing the weight more evenly and reducing the strain on your wrists. 4. Strengthen your wrists and forearms. One of the best ways to prevent wrist pain during push-ups is to improve the strength and mobility of your wrists and forearms. Weak wrist muscles can contribute to discomfort and increase the likelihood of injury. Incorporating wrist strengthening exercises into your routine can make a big difference in how you feel during push-ups. Some simple wrist exercises include wrist curls, reverse wrist curls, and wrist rotations. These exercises will help improve your wrist mobility, flexibility, and strength, reducing the likelihood of pain or discomfort when performing push-ups. 5. Modify the push-up position. If you still experience wrist pain despite making adjustments, try modifying the push-up itself. One great alternative is the knuckle push-up, where you make a fist with your hands and perform the push-up on your knuckles instead of your palms. This modification eliminates the need for wrist extension, making it an excellent option for those with wrist pain. However, it's essential to have proper form when doing knuckle push-ups to avoid strain on your knuckles or fingers. Another variation to try is the wall push-up or incline push-up, where your hands are elevated on a surface like a wall, bench, or sturdy table. This reduces the amount of pressure on your wrists while still engaging the chest, shoulders, and arms. Wall push-ups are an excellent option for beginners or those recovering from wrist injuries. 6. Warm up and stretch. Before diving into push-ups, it's important to properly warm up your wrists, hands, and arms. This will help improve flexibility and mobility, reducing the risk of pain or discomfort during your workout. You can stretch your wrists by performing simple exercises like wrist flexor and extensor stretches. Gently rotating your wrists in circles or stretching them forward and backward will also help improve your flexibility and prepare them for the push-up movement. Final thoughts. Wrist pain doesn't have to hold you back from doing push-ups or achieving your fitness goals. By improving your wrist mobility, using the right techniques, and modifying your push-ups, you can protect your wrists and continue benefiting from this powerful full-body exercise. Incorporating wrist-strengthening exercises and practicing proper form will go a long way in preventing discomfort and ensuring that you can do push-ups pain-free. So, if you've been avoiding push-ups due to wrist pain, it's time to take action and try these helpful tips. By making these adjustments, you'll be able to strengthen your chest, shoulders, arms, and core without the worry of wrist discomfort. Keep practicing, and as always, remember to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, modifications, and exercises to help you achieve your goals.